12:16, a major legal win for former President Donald Trump. We first brought you this story yesterday at noon. The Supreme Court ruled in a 6-3 decision that the former president is immune from prosecution in certain cases, but not all of them. NBC's Bree Jackson has the latest details from Washington.
In a 6-3 decision, the High Court's conservative majority ruled that former President Trump is immune from criminal prosecution for official acts as president, but not for unofficial ones.
It doesn't give any immunity from ordinary criminal law to the president, the most powerful figure in our government.
The majority opinion stating the president must be able to carry out his constitutional duties without undue caution. Liberal justices writing, "With fear for our democracy, I dissent." Trump praising the ruling as a big win for our Constitution and democracy, proud to be an American. President Biden condemning it.
This nation was founded on the principle that there are no kings in America.
The president urging voters to reject his political opponent at the polls this November.
The American people must decide if Trump's embrace of violence to preserve his power is acceptable.
Americans are deeply divided.
This court will go down in history for that, for their intentional delay. They tipped the scales of justice.
Trump's role on January 6th was the commander-in-chief and president of the United States of America. And like he said, let's go peacefully.
The Supreme Court's ruling extends the delay in the federal election interference case against Trump. When it comes to the January 6th election interference case, that now goes back to the lower courts, making it all but certain that former President Trump will not face trial ahead of this November's election. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.
All right, thanks, Bree. Well, right now, lawyers for Donald Trump want to challenge the former president's conviction in his hush money trial. It's being reported Trump's legal team has sent a letter to a New York judge. They are seeking permission to file a motion to challenge his guilty verdict in his hush money trial. If the judge allows Trump to file the motion, it could delay the former president's sentencing set for next week. Right now, we know prosecutors did not file the sentencing submission yesterday as expected. In May, a jury convicted Trump of 34 felony counts for falsifying business records in his hush money case.